Have you ever gotten one of those scary emails saying your personal information was found in a data breach? Or maybe you're worried about someone getting into your bank account. In today's world, it feels like our personal info is always at risk, and keeping it safe is a full-time job. That's where services like Identity Guard come in. They promise to be your 24/7 digital watchdog, protecting you from hackers and thieves. But with so many options out there, does it actually work? We went hands-on with Identity Guard to find out if it lives up to the hype. In this video, we're breaking down everything: its features, pricing, how it stacks up against competition, and our final verdict on whether it's worth your money. Stick around. So what exactly is Identity Guard? Think of it as a high-tech security system, but for your personal information instead of your house. It's been around for over 25 years, so it's a veteran in the identity protection game. But here's what makes it really interesting. It's powered by IBM's Watson AI. That's some serious brain power, scanning the internet and the dark web around the clock, looking for any sign that your information has been stolen or misused. And here's the biggest peace of mind feature. Every single Identity Guard plan, even the cheapest one, comes with up to $1 million in identity theft insurance. That is a huge safety net that covers things like legal fees, lost wages, and other expenses if the worst should happen. $1 million promise is great, but what do you actually get from Identity Guard day to day? Let's break down the core features. First up is credit monitoring. This is crucial, because a sudden drop in your credit score or a new account you don't recognize is often the first red flag of identity theft. Now here's where you need to pay close attention to the plans. The basic value plan, your cheapest option, does not include any credit monitoring. To get that, you'll need to step up to the total plan, which watches one of the major credit bureaus. If you want the full picture, the top-tier Ultra plan monitors all three: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Next up, there's dark web surveillance. The dark web is that hidden, sketchy part of the internet where criminals buy and sell stolen data. Identity Guard's AI constantly scans these shady corners for your social security number, credit card details, and other sensitive info. If it finds anything, you get an alert immediately, so you can take action. The good news is, this feature is included in all their plans. You also get high-risk transaction alerts. This acts as an early warning system for your finances. If a suspicious charge pops up on your credit card, or a large withdrawal is made from your bank account, you'll get a notification. You can even customize these alerts to come via text or email, which is super convenient. And let's circle back to that $1 million insurance policy. It's important to know this is a reimbursement-based policy. That means they don't just mail you a check. You'll need to provide documentation of your losses, like legal bills or proof of lost wages. But if you're in the Ultra plan, you get what they call white glove resolution, where a dedicated specialist does most of the recovery work for you, which is a massive relief during a stressful time. Finally, Identity Guard throws in some really useful security tools. Every plan comes with a built-in password manager, which is awesome because many companies charge extra for that. It also includes social media monitoring to watch for account takeovers, and a safe browsing extension that helps block phishing sites and ad trackers. A long list of features is great, but is it a headache to actually use? We found it surprisingly simple. Getting started takes just a few minutes. You sign up, enter your personal details, and that's it. There's nothing to download for the main service, since it runs in your browser. The dashboard is clean, easy to navigate, and not overwhelming at all. Even if you're not a tech expert, everything is clearly labeled, from your alerts to your credit score. While the desktop version gives you the most comprehensive view, the mobile apps for both Android and iOS are perfect for getting alerts and checking your status when you're on the go. And what about help if you need it? Their customer support is easy to reach by phone, and they even have a quick AI chatbot on their website for common questions. Most importantly, if you're the victim of identity theft, they offer 24/7 emergency support, so you're never left stranded. Alright, let's talk about the big question. How much does all this protection cost? Identity Guard offers a few different tiers for both individuals and families. The value plan for an individual starts at just $6.67 a month. That is one of the most affordable starting points you'll find for identity protection. But remember, it's very basic and lacks that crucial credit monitoring. To get 3 bureau monitoring and all the best features, you'll need the Ultra plan, which runs at about $18 a month for an individual. Their family plans are also a pretty good deal. covering up to 5 adults and an unlimited number of kids, with the top-tier family plan costing at around $24 a month. One more thing we appreciated, they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee on their annual plans, so you have a good amount of time to try it out risk-free. So how does Identity Guard stack up against other big names in the game, like Aura or LifeLock? Identity Guard's main strengths are its powerful AI-powered monitoring and its simplicity. It does the core job of identity protection really well, and it's very user-friendly. But, and this is a big but, it's missing some key cybersecurity tools that its competitors offer. There's no built-in VPN to encrypt your internet connection, and no antivirus software to protect your devices from malware. This is where a competitor like Aura really pulls ahead. Aura is more of an all-in-one digital security suite. For a similar price, Aura bundles in a VPN, antivirus software, and a password manager, making it a better value if you're looking for complete wraparound protection for your entire digital life. LifeLock is another popular name, but its plans can get more expensive, and features like a VPN often cost extra. So after all our testing, what's the final verdict on Identity Guard? Here's the bottom line. Identity Guard is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a dedicated, no-fuss identity theft protection service that is both affordable and incredibly easy to use. The AI-powered scanning is top-notch, and having that 1 million insurance policy on every single plan is a massive plus. However, if you want a complete, all-in-one security package that includes a VPN and antivirus, you should probably look at Aura instead. It simply offers more bang for your buck by bundling all those extra security tools into one subscription. It really just depends on what you need. To make it easy for you, we've left links on the best deals we could find for both Identity Guard and Aura in the description below. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.